For the first garland, I'm going to take red crepe paper. The width of our crepe paper will be 6 centimeters. And we are going to cut out a strip of this. The length of this is 1 meter. This is a pre-folded crepe paper. So I'll open this up. And I will fold it my way. Hold these two corners, the two edges, and fold the crepe paper in half. We are going to fold the crepe paper in half again. Fold it one more time. And we'll fold the crepe paper again one more time. This is the width that we'll be needing. We will fold this crepe paper in half like this. And we will draw on this half side of the upper heart. And we will cut this out. This was the lower part. Now we are going to cut the upper part of the heart. Like this. And now we'll open this up. For the second garland, we'll be needing a piece of crepe paper of 6 centimeters again. And because these crepe papers are pre-folded, I'll open them up so I can fold it my way. I'll see a piece where my 4 fingers fit in, and after the 4 fingers, we'll fold it up. And like this, we'll keep on folding the crepe paper. If you have any excess that is sticking out which you cannot fold, cut that excess out. Make sure that the crepe paper is equal from all sides, and then we'll fold this in half. And now we are going to draw half of a heart shape on this. We'll leave a small area, we'll leave a small piece of 1 finger, a distance of 1 finger, and from here we'll draw our heart, half side of a heart. And we'll cut this out. We'll take these hearts and keep it aside, and we'll open this up. Because of the fold, If you have any piece that is sticking out here, simply make a small cut to equal it. And then we'll open this up. We'll take a strip of 6 centimeters again. We'll fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Fold it in half once more. And 2 more times. Now we'll fold the crepe paper in half again. And this time we'll draw half of our heart. From the bottom side we'll bring the half side of our heart till the edge here that we have. We'll leave a space of 1 centimeter where we will not draw anything. After this 1 centimeter, we will continue the shape of our heart. We will cut this upper side. Leave the space that we left. And on the bottom side we'll continue to cut out the heart shape. Now we'll open this up. We'll take a strip of 6 centimeters again. Open this up. Fold the 2 edges and fold the paper. And keep on folding it till we have a small piece left. This is the piece that we'll be needing. We will fold it in half. On the edges here, we'll make like this, a draw. We'll draw the upper part of the heart. And to draw the lower part of the heart. We will cut out this upper piece. And we will cut out this lower piece as well. Now in the middle, we'll follow this heart shape. We'll leave a space of about 1 centimeter and follow the heart shape. And draw half of a heart. Like this, and we'll cut this out. And we'll open this up. Cut the strip again of 6 centimeters and open it up. Hold one edge, and after 6 centimeters we will make one fold, and like this we will keep on folding the crepe paper at the same distance. Make sure that it's equal, and if you have any excess piece that is sticking out, which you cannot fold over a good way, just cut it out. We'll take this and we'll fold this in half. First, we'll draw half of a heart. We'll leave a small piece, and from here, we'll draw our heart, half side of a heart. Leaving a small space on the upper side. After we have done that, we'll leave a small piece, same place where we have made this upper heart. We will make one more curve and draw a smaller heart here. Like this. Now we will first cut this small piece, the small heart that we have. We will follow this line like this. And we will not cut till the edge. Once we have made a small upper part of the heart, we will stop our cutting there, and from here we'll cut the upper side of the heart. Now complete the heart shape, but if you find that it's not looking like a heart, cut it from here and make it look like a heart. Do the same on this side as well. And now open this up. Let me know in the comment section below which of the 5 designs you like the most. Don't forget to like this video. Do check out the other decorations on my channel. I have many other decoration ideas. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my future decoration ideas, then make sure that you click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe.